guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Janie.
My name is Hugh.
So, we have a DIY today because we have a photo shoot on Tuesday and I wasn't planning on doing props, but then last minute we decided to do so.
So right now we're going to go through our memories. I'm going to record it because we're bored. Plus we need inspiration. So this is the magical box. Nike. But guess what's in it? Bam! Not that. Ooh! So, let's see what we have in here. I have old balloons. That's how extra it was.
Please don't talk about me when I'm...
Yeah, it was in my pants and I washed them by accident. But you can still see, sort of.
from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
To my love. Oh, look what I wrote. Thank you, so cute.
You still are cute. First photo together, but not really together. Yeah, I'm in the red, and Janie, I think she's all the way in the right here. This was at Janie's debut with my family. My little brothers love her to death.
So, I don't know when I think I made this on his anniversary, but I basically put balloons up in my house and then I attached the stuff to it. I'm going to show you guys in case you guys want ideas for your sweeties. But like, look. So basically, it says, we make a great pair. Get it? Because it's a pair. Get it? Okay, get it? Okay. And this one says, we're stinking cute together. Yeah. This one says, I love you. I love you. And then, our love is so right. So, if you guys ever want something cute to do for your loved ones or an idea, I put holes on the top of them. And then I attached it to balloons and like made like a pathway with them. So then when he came in through the door, he followed it and puppies. Yep, and it led to like a little cute video I made him. This was like for our 3-year anniversary. I don't know. It was some ish ago, but yeah.
So, from Ross, I got these cute wedges. They're cute. But yeah, I'm going to wear these for the photo shoot because Hugh is only like 2 inches taller than me. So like, I need a little mini heel instead of like a big heel. These are only $17. Oh, there you go. $17.99.
Okay, so I'm going to do the DIY part. For those of you who don't know what DIY means, it means do it yourself. And I'm a very DIY person. As you can see, I DIY'd that for Mother's Day. It says, Mom, with balloons. Yep, I DIY'd that. Because I'm cheap, but, you know, still cute. Anyways, so, I don't know what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm making this, so if it turns out ugly, it turns out ugly. But, first you need a picture frame. So we got our picture frame from Goodwill, and we only got it for $5. But yeah, okay, Goodwill changes their color every Sunday. And when you get an object or item that is that specific color, it's an additional 50% off. So imagine that. You're going to Goodwill, to thrift shop, something that's already cheap, and then it'll be another 50% off. It's gonna be like dirt cheap. So we got this big frickin' picture frame for $5. And it's pretty big. Like, it's pretty big. And then, what you also need is a glue gun. I will list the prices as I show the item. So this is the glue gun. Glue stick. Any kind of paint that you want. Paint sponges or paint brushes. Twine. You need some twine. Any glitter that you want. We picked gold. And then stencils. Or you can freehand it, but I suck at freehanding stuff. Here's stencils. And then you need a bunch of fake flowers to put on the frame. And I will show you guys the colors that we got.
So, we got little cute fake sunflower ones, yellow ones, white, pops of pink, and some green fake leaves. I like the color yellow because it represents happiness. Yeah, just fun fact. yellow. You also need paper or black poster. Okay? Okay. And a pencil. You need a freaking pencil. You need a pencil. So the first one is just the picture frame with the flowers. I know, simple, boring, whatever. But it's gonna be so cute in the pictures. Like, you guys don't understand. And then a banner. It'll say future Mr. and Mrs. He's cutting the brown part of the picture frame. So things about to get serious. I'm gonna move you guys over there because there's like an outlet for the glue gun. So let's move.